This is the easyshare buttons WordPress plugin by Creo Apps, which is available on codecanyon.net. There are 19 different templates of buttons for you to choose from. You can put these buttons in 12 different display locations, the 12th one actually being via shortcode, which effectively means anywhere that the other 11 don't give you. There are 4 basic styles of buttons, with text, hover, icons, or just the names. There are 9 different styles of counters, so you can provide social proof of other people following you. There are also after-share actions you can do to get people to sign up to mailing lists, tweet your pages, etc. You can have social share icons appearing on all your images on your site so they can immediately be shared easily by your visitors. There are 12 native social like, follow and subscribe options also available. There are 20 social fan counters available, 20 of the most used sites for the internet. And there are social share analytics as well, so you can see how well you are doing. In case other plugins don't cover it, there's also social share optimization, which means it will put all the correct CAD tags for when you are sharing things with Facebook, Twitter, etc. And if that sounds like it's a heck of a lot for just doing some social sharing, yes, it is pretty overwhelming really. But don't worry, because there's a nice easy click wizard which walks you through choosing your buttons and where you put them. So let's have a look at that wizard in a bit more detail now and see what it can do for you. Okay, so this is one of our test sites, and this is the main control panel section of the dashboard for easyshare. And if it looks overwhelming, that's because it really does feel like that when you first come into the app. However, there's a nice, easy way to use the system with this little configuration wizard, which will get you up and running quickly. So if we just click on it, we are walked through all the choices we have. So the first thing we have is our choice of look. Okay, you can see the one that I've chosen already, but let's change to something else just for the sake of doing so. Click on next, and now need to say what I'm going to do with the buttons. Do I want the button with or without the name? Do I want it with just an icon? They've got some nice little animations which you can play with as well, which look good on most sites. I say most sites because obviously it's got to fit into the style, the rest is your site. You've got the option of displaying counters or not as well, and if you do, then you've got to decide how you're going to put them onto the page. You click next. These are the icons that are available, so you just tick the ones you want, and if they're in the wrong order you just pick them up and move them around as well. And then we click next. And then we have a few bits about the sharing and the alignment. We need to give our Twitter username if we're going to use Twitter. And I believe other little options will appear depending on which buttons you've chosen. Next, where we're going to display them, pages, post, media. If you have custom content types, then they appear there as well, which is excellent. Post excerpt, you have an option to display as well differently. And then we have the position of the buttons on the page. So we've got those 12 different positions, the 12th one being the shortcode. So you can choose exactly where you want yours to appear, and I've done mine content top. We also have a few extra options for mobiles, so your mobile layout will still make sense to people. And then we just have some optimization things which are very neat because they allow you to scrunch up all the code, all the JavaScript, all the CSS, so it doesn't take up so much space and therefore will not slow down your site. Then you click finish and it's done. And if you want to change the settings, you can go around that loop as many times as you like until you're happy that the system works. And the other thing you have, of course, is the statistics, which won't say a lot because this is in a demo system and can't actually see the real site data, but there is some I created earlier. It's a lovely little plugin. Shouldn't really use the word little because it is very comprehensive and works really nicely. And we've not had any issues with integrating anything else. It's very aware of its environment, and the guys have done a really good job. So that's the plugin. As of the 9th of March 2015, it's on version 2.03 and already has over 8,000 sales and a rating of 4.74 after 480 feedback ratings. On Code Canyon it costs a mere $14. It's great value and a great product, and we recommend it to every single customer that we use. And it's our primary source now for social sharing and interaction. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to our mailing list, keep in touch with us, and thank you for watching.